Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, March 27, 2021. It is 5:44 and 49 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, AI and asbestos. So let's hop to it here. AI used in battle against asbestos lung cancer. Date March 26, 2021. Source, University of Leicester. Summary. International genomics research has used artificial intelligence, AI, to study an aggressive form of cancer, which can improve patient outcomes. Mesothelioma is caused by breathing asbestos particles, and most commonly occurs in the linings of the lungs or abdomen. Currently, only 7% of people survive 5 years after diagnosis, with a prognosis averaging 12 to 18 months. New research undertaken by the Leicester Mesothelioma Research Program has now revealed, using AI analysis of DNA sequence mesotheliomas, that they evolve along similar or repeated paths between individuals. These paths predict the aggressiveness and possible therapy of this otherwise incurable cancer. It has long been appreciated that asbestos causes mesothelioma. However, how this occurs remains a mystery. Using AI to interrogate genomic big data, this initial work shows us that mesotheliomas follow ordered paths of mutations during development, and that these so-called trajectories predict not only how long a patient may survive, but also how to better treat cancer, something Leicester aims to lead on internationally through clinical trial initiatives. While use of asbestos is now outlawed, and stringent regulations in place on its removal, each year around 25 people are diagnosed with mesothelioma in Leicestershire, and 190 are diagnosed in East Midlands. Cases of mesothelioma in the UK have increased by 61% since the early 1990s. Until very recently, chemotherapy was the only licensed choice for patients with mesothelioma. However, treatment options start to become limited once people stop responding to their treatment. Recent research made a major breakthrough in treating the disease by demonstrating that the use of immunotherapy drug called nivolumab increased survival and stabilized the disease for patients. This was the first ever trial to demonstrate improved survival in patients with relapsed mesothelioma. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video is strictly made for educational purposes only. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.